Hello everyone, I am Vinayak Koppad. In this video, I am going to show you the isometric projection of cylinder and a pentagonal prism. So let's begin with the problem. A regular pentagonal prism of base edge 30 and axis 60 mm is mounted centrally over a cylindrical block of 80 mm diameter and 25 mm thick. Draw the isometric projection of combination of solids. This is a given problem, and for this we need a orthographic projection. So we need a orthographic projection here, and this is the orthographic projection of a combination of solids what they have given. So first we need to construct the pentagon, and we need to find out the midpoint of that one, and again from that midpoint draw the circle of 80 mm diameter, and this is the front view of the combination of the two solids. Yes, now we need to construct the isometric projection of this one. Yes, for that I'll take a new sheet, go for the line command, and here so I'm going to change the thickness to 0.05. So because later after completion of the isometric projection we need to darken the only the lines which are seen from the front. Yes, now so 80 mm, so now 30, again 80, it is 150, then 80 minus 150, and finally so we need to connect to this point. Now take a line command. First you need to draw the midpoint, sorry, we need to connect the horizontal diagonal and from the vertical diagonal. So in this if you take this point, for this point these two are the opposite lines. So from this point we need to draw to the midpoint of the opposite lines. So in this way, so we need to draw the midpoint of the opposite line. This is nothing but a 4-point method for drawing the ellipse. So after this go for the arc by center point. So select the center, and this will be the radius. It has to extend up to this point the same way. So select this one, and it has to extend up to this point. So sometimes you may face this kind of problem, so no worries. So in that case, so once again you just select that one, so you will get the answer. Similarly, so from this point to this point, and again for drawing the arc here, so again we need to select this as a center. Instead of that, so I'm going to use a mirror command. I want to mirror this with respect to this line. So this is the base of the cylinder, so what we have drawn. So now in the problem they have given that it is having a 25 mm thick. Just draw one vertical line of 25 mm thickness, right? So then select this base of the cylinder what you have drawn. So instead of drawing once again, so I'm just making use of a move command here. So take a one copy of that, and that you have to block it so that it should not changes its dimension. Now use the connect here, so this midpoint should connect with this point. Yes, so now draw the vertical lines. So this will be the cylinder of 80 mm diameter and 25 mm thick here. So now we'll keep this at one side. Now we have to construct the pentagonal prism here. Yes, so this is a pentagon, and that pentagon we have put it within the box, and I have named as a 1 2 3 4, and corresponding points I have named as a A B C D up to E here. So first we need to measure what is the distance from 1 to 2, so which is coming out as a 46.17. Okay, that we have to place it along the 30-degree line, and another one dimension is a 48.54. okay, let's first start with the 46.17 along 30-degree line. So next it is 48.54 along 150 line, then again 46.17 along minus 150, and finally it is 48.54. just cross check whether we have drawn. Yes, 46.17. fine. So after this, so just give the naming for this box. Now only thing we need to transfer all the A, B, C, D up to E points on this line. So for this we need to measure first on 1 to 4 we are getting a two corner, that is A and B. Let us measure what is the distance. So that is 9.271, and which is also same as from the distance from 1 to B. So 9 point, it is coming as a how much, 9.271, right? So select a line here. So 9.271, enter. So this should be along this line. Similarly from 4 it is 9.271, enter. It should be along this line. Same way A and B is over now. Now let us see the C point, so which is nothing but 28.532, which is also equal to 4 to E, 28.532. So 28.532, that should be along this line. Similarly from here 28.532, that should be along this line. Now so this point, which is nothing but 24.271, go for the line 24.271, 24.271 it is, yes. Now we need to connect the different one, that is A to B, then C, C to D, D to E, then E to A. Okay, so after joining this pentagon, so you can delete the lines whatever you have drawn, and now we can give the annotation here, so which is nothing but A, B, C, D and E. Now we need to find out the midpoint of this one, right? So midpoint, so again it is on 1 to 2 it is 20.65, so 20.65 at an angle of 30 degree, so we have to move, and again so we need to do approximately, so otherwise we need just parallel to that line. Yes. Switch on the parallel. Yes, just draw one parallel line to this line. Similarly look at what is the vertical distance, so which is 24.27 it is, right? So again go for the line 24.27, enter. Okay, so which is along the 150 degree line, and so we need to draw parallel to this line. So whenever it shows a parallel, just click it here. So now you can trim out the extra projection, and now you got what is the center of that one. From that draw the what is the height of that one, which is nothing but a 60 here, and this is the axis of the prism. Change the line type to third one. Next, from all the corners draw a vertical edges of the prism, so which is nothing but 60 degree, 60 mm. Now go for the move. I want to move this line with respect to this point. Just go on keeping at the corresponding points. Now just simply connect the top face of the prism. Yes, now this is the pentagonal prism. Now so we have to block this prism, and after that we need to connect this center to the midpoint of this line, so it's nothing but this one. Yes, so this is the combination of the cylinder and the pentagonal prism. So actually we need to show the outer line, that means when you look at from the front, so all those lines you have to show with the darker line, so like this. So this is visible, so let it darken. So in this way, so we need to darken whatever the lines that are visible from the front, and for this we need a, so it takes again some time. Yes, so in this way, so you can darken the lines which are visible, and again very important thing, so whatever we have drawn, still it is in the actual scale. So select all the lines, go for the scale and reduce this to isometric dimension, that is 0.816 conversion factor. Yes, now this is the the exact solution for the given problem. Thank you.